and of jewels.
Hello and welcome. I'm Shivangi Shukla and you're watching this special feature, Progressive Maharashtra, where we spotlight the most impactful developments from the state. These initiatives are not only redefining Maharashtra's growth story, but are also fueling India's journey towards Prime Minister Modi's ambitious vision of a developed India. So let's begin with the major headlines that remained in focus. Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has arrived in Switzerland to attend the annual meeting of the World Economic Forum. As part of his 5-day foreign visit, the Chief Minister first reached Zurich, where he received a warm and grand welcome in traditional Marathi style. Upon his arrival in Davos as well, members of the Marathi community welcomed him with traditional rituals and arati. India's ambassador to Switzerland, Mridul Kumar, formally received the Chief Minister. Union Ministers Prahlad Joshi and Kinjarapu Ram Mohan Naidu also met him and congratulated him on the resounding victory in the recently concluded municipal elections in Maharashtra. The 56th annual meeting of the World Economic Forum is being held in Davos from January 19th to 23rd, with nearly 3,000 leaders from around 130 countries expected to participate. The Chief Minister's presence at the WEF is being seen as crucial for attracting global investment and strengthening economic partnerships for Maharashtra. Mumbai has once again proven that it is not just India's creative capital, it is also ready to play a leading role in the global creative industry. A major partnership worth 2,400 crore has been announced between Universal Music Group and Excel Entertainment in Mumbai. The discussions for this collaboration began during last year's WAVE Summit and has now materialized into a long-term investment. This is expected to generate employment, encourage innovation, and take Indian stories to a much wider global audience.
A global leader in music and intellectual property choosing to deepen its engagement in India through a creator-led homegrown studio based in Mumbai sends a very powerful signal that India's creative economy has come of age, that our talent is global ready, and that Mumbai is no longer just participating in the global media ecosystem, it is shaping it.
A significant step has been taken to honor the legacy of social reformer and pioneer of women's education, Kranti Jyoti Savitribai Phule, on the occasion of her birth anniversary. The foundation stone for the Kranti Jyoti Savitribai Phule Memorial and Women Training Center was laid at Naigaon in Satara. Along with the memorial, a dedicated women's training center will be established with the aim of providing skill development and promoting self-reliance among women. The center is expected to serve as a source of inspiration for women empowerment and socio-economic development as well. Another major initiative has been undertaken to provide dignified and secure housing for police personnel in Maharashtra. Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis inaugurated the Vrindavan Police Township, comprising of 698 residential units for police officers and staff under the Satara Superintendent of Police Office, developed by the Maharashtra State Police Housing and Welfare Corporation. Additionally, the new building of Shahupuri Police Station, constructed with support from the District Planning Committee Fund and the Satara Municipal Council, was also inaugurated. India's first bullet train project has achieved a major milestone in Maharashtra. Now, the successful breakthrough of Mountain Tunnel 5 has been completed in Palghar district. This achievement reflects not only advanced infrastructure development but also the rapid pace of growth in Maharashtra. Work on the Mumbai-Ahmedabad bullet train project is progressing swiftly in the Palghar region using cutting-edge technology. Tunnel construction in hilly terrain posed a major engineering challenge, which has now been completed safely and on schedule. And that wraps up today's journey of progressive Maharashtra. We saw how the state is marching ahead with fresh energy across every sector. Every project, every step strengthening the vision of a prosperous, empowered and modern Maharashtra. We'll be back next week with more inspiring stories and new chapters of the state's progress. Until then, Jai Maharashtra!